driving the new Seeker 7X. Of course, I'm testing the UI sounds here. Here's the turn signal. A little bit loud, I would say. Okay quality. Warning sound, not too bad. The speaker system is also okay. Also have speakers in my headrest here, so that's very good. So I can get pretty good. This is surround sound control.
Ernst Behrendt og Geo Brunner-Schwer. De to tyske fyre, de to tyske pladeproducere, de havde fået øjnene op for, at
a lot of bass and mids, pretty good. Not super overwhelming, but very nice standard, I would say. Now I'm going to put it in reverse and have my partner here go behind the car to see. Yes. The sound follows where the person is walking. Nice Seeker. Good job. Okay, to summarize this, I would say it's a very nice driving car. The sounds are also very appealing. Not so attention-seeking, but I would say that it's not premium. Overall, very good sound design. Good job, Seeker. But still, room for improvement.